What if I told you that you could get the same entertainment coaching Hollywood A-listers get right now and for a fraction of the cost? Would you take advantage of it? Many top coaches like me are booked solid, live in Los Angeles, and cost a few $100s per hour, making us completely out of reach for many people, geographically, financially, or both. I get hundreds of inquiries every year, and although I would love to teach everyone, I only have 24 hours in the day. That's why I created a new online academy where more people can access the same curriculum that I use with my clients in Hollywood. Now, I'm constantly changing and updating these sort of videos, and the content is never the same. So I can't promise you that if you leave today, that this offer will be here tomorrow. If you stick with me until the end though, I promise I will give you an opportunity to help launch your career in the entertainment industry. If you're like most of my clients, you really want a lucrative career as a singer or actor. You want the money, the fame, and the notoriety. You want to see yourself on the red carpet or hear your song on the radio, but unfortunately, you can't access the training that will help you get there sooner than later. Soundcheck Online is the one-stop shop for singers and actors to help launch their career in show business. Our courses are designed to teach you the most up-to-date techniques in singing and acting to get you to a professional level. We also teach you everything you need to know to find work, get an agent or manager, and book jobs. If you're ready to start working on your dreams of making it as a singer or actor, click the button below and get started right now. I'm Shaun Royer, and I've worked with some of the biggest names in entertainment, such as Justin Timberlake, Demi Lovato, and Alicia Keys. I also work with many up-and-coming talent who can be seen on shows like The Voice, X Factor, American Idol, Young Sheldon, Grey's Anatomy, Modern Family, and many others. I am excited to present my proven techniques to the public through my online courses, and I am so confident that you will not only enjoy them, you'll love them, and I'm giving you a 30-day opportunity to try them risk-free. If you don't love them and find the information valuable, I'll refund your money. I have helped hundreds of people make it in show business. It's undeniable that my methods just flat out work. Now it's your time to join the Soundcheck family. Click the button below and get started right now. Just imagine where you could be in 90 days. Will you look back and say, that was the best decision I've ever made? Or will you look back on this moment and wish you had gotten started right now? The entertainment industry is booming. Never before have there been more opportunities for singers and actors to break out and become stars. The longer you wait to get the training you need, the more opportunities will pass you by. Act now. Click the button below and let's get started. Or don't, and continue watching other people on television thinking, I wish that were me.